The Philadelphia sound used to be one of love. Seems that now it's the sound of bullets. Philadelphia rapper Derrick Phat Geez Gant was considered a mentee of rapper Meek Mill, was unalived outside his home just hours after promoting his single titled No Gun Zone. Philadelphia rapper Derrick Phat Geez Gant was seeking to raise awareness about youth violence in Philadelphia and to encourage the young people to squash the beef rather than resort to retaliation. There is extreme contempt and vitriol for anyone that dares to talk about violence in cities like Philadelphia. They are labeled a coon or an Uncle Tom when they bring such things up. Because, of course, you have to blame racism. Meek Mill is mourning, and he stated that Philadelphia is a terrible place for Black people to live, that you see too much death. I will be exploring who gave the keys and the musical trust of Philadelphia Way, because it used to be one of a positive, loving frequency that would fit a title of a city of brotherly love. But now it's in the hands of someone else.